If you're trying to set up a Skool membership, you've come to the right place. This quick explainer will walk you through everything you need to know in under 5 minutes. But before you hit skip, stick with me till the end. There's an exclusive offer and a game-changing alternative I'll be revealing that might just be a better fit for your goals. Now, let's dive straight into it. The first thing you want to do is create an account on Skool. Head over to the Skool website and sign up. Once you've done that, you'll land on your Skool dashboard, where you can start creating your membership. Setting up your Skool membership is simple, but there are a few nuances you should keep in mind. Next thing, let's look at creating your community. You can do this by selecting Create a Skool from the dashboard. This is where you define your community's name, URL, and a few other details. This step is crucial because this is the foundation of your membership. Make sure the name reflects what you want your community to represent. Keep it clear and appealing. The third thing you'll want to set up is your membership tiers. Skool allows you to create different pricing plans depending on what you're offering. You can set up multiple tiers with different levels of access to your content, exclusive groups, or resources. Skool does a decent job here, but it's limited compared to other platforms. If you need more advanced membership options, you may find it lacking, but for basic setups, it should work fine. Moving on, the fourth thing, content. Skool's content management system is relatively intuitive, but it lacks a few bells and whistles that other platforms have. You can easily upload your courses, lessons, and videos. Just remember, there's no fancy drag and drop editor for course creation here. It's pretty straightforward, but it may not have the advanced customization options you might be used to. Next, let's get to the community features. Skool has a clean and simple user interface for community interaction. You can set up discussion threads, queue and amp, sections, and post updates for your members. It's a great feature for fostering engagement. However, the lack of robust community tools compared to other platforms like Mighty Networks or even Discord may be a downside if you're looking for more advanced social interaction features. The sixth thing to consider is the pricing. Skool has a pretty affordable pricing structure, especially when compared to other membership platforms. But you might want to weigh whether the basic offerings fit your needs, or if you'll eventually need to scale up, in which case you might run into some limitations. But here's the deal, while Skool is a solid platform, there are alternatives out there that could be a better fit, especially if your goal is more advanced customization or scalable membership features. We've partnered with a competitor that offers an even more powerful platform for membership management, with additional features that make it a stronger option for people looking to build more complex and engaging membership sites. And here's the kicker, if you use the link in the description below, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial of Skool and these amazing alternatives. Trust me, the benefits of these alternatives far outweigh Skool's limitations. So, if you want to save time and build a membership community that meets all your needs, check out the link. You'll get the best deal, and yes, those exclusive perks only available through our link.